Hello, my name is Chong Xian. I'm going to share about the DFENZE combo sets manufactured by JL Water Engineering Sdn Bhd. There are a total of 5 combo sets, which are combo KO1, combo 2LM1, combo LM2, combo 5LM1, and combo 5LM2. All these 5 products have different description. For the combo KO1, the price is 50 ringgit with 500 milliliters plus 100 milliliters plus 30 milliliters plus pocket 20 millimeters disinfectants HOCl, while the second one is combo 2LM1. It comes with 2 liters of that HOCl disinfectant with 2 packs. Next is the third one, which is called combo 2LM2. It comes with 2 liters disinfectants and 1 for free. So there are a total of 4 in this set. The fourth set is the combo 5LM1, which costs about 106 ringgit. This packet includes 5 liters of disinfectant and 500 milliliters of disinfectant. For the combo 2LM1 just now, it costs about 100 ringgit, and the third, which is called combo 2LM2, costs about 168 ringgit. For the fifth combo set, which is called combo 5LM2, its price is about 205 ringgit. It comes with 2 5 liters and 2 500 milliliters disinfectants.